In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a database task into a subtask in Notion. We'll walk through this step by step, starting from creating a simple database on a page, and then converting those entries into tasks, and finally into subtasks. Follow along in your own workspace so you can see the changes in real time. First, open the Notion page where you want to set this up. At the top left of your page, look for the option to create a new block. This is usually done by clicking into an empty line on the page. We're about to add a database directly inside this page so that we can later turn its items into tasks. Now, type /, then the word database. Notion will show you a list of database options that match what you're typing. This is the fastest way to bring up all the database-related blocks without having to search through menus. From the options that appear, choose Database Inline. This creates a small table-style database directly in your page instead of taking over the whole view. Inline is helpful because you can see your database alongside your notes or other content, which is often how people like to manage tasks and subtasks. Once your inline database is created, look for the settings icon in the top right corner of that database. It usually looks like 3 dots or a small menu button. Click on this settings icon to open the database options. This is where Notion hides a lot of powerful features, including the ability to convert a regular database into a task database. In that menu, find and click on More Settings. This expands a deeper set of configuration options specifically for the database you're working with. Take a moment to notice what's available here, because these settings control how your tasks behave. Next, click on Turn into Tasks. By doing this, you're telling Notion that this database should be treated as a task database. Notion may add or adjust properties like status, due date, or assignee to better fit task management. After it's been turned into a task database, click on the settings icon again on the same database. This opens the menu one more time so we can go a level deeper into task-specific options. Click on More Settings again. Now that it's a task database, these settings will include options related to task hierarchy and relationships. Finally, click on Subtask. This connects your tasks to a parent subtask structure, allowing individual database items to be treated as subtasks under larger parent tasks. Once this is enabled, you can start organizing your work by breaking bigger tasks into smaller linked subtasks inside the same database.